we'll be looking at the different ways how you are going to create users in your SuccessFactors system, and how you will be able to customize your home page. So those are the things that we are going to discuss in today's session, guys, because I already did this session to the guys who already enrolled for the training sessions. So it's a kind of recap for them, but if you are joining it as a first day of your training, right? Yeah, just follow it thoroughly, guys. Anyhow, I'll send you the recorded session to you so that it will be helpful to you to recap. So that I'll just quickly go through what are the things that I have covered for them, so that you will be at the same understanding like whatever we did in the past 2 classes, guys. And so with respect to your SuccessFactors system, as you might be aware that you have 2 different systems, right? One is your SuccessFactors instance and another is your SuccessFactors provisioning system. So when you are going to implement SuccessFactors for the very first time in your organization, you basically will get, yeah, Sanjay, I started Sanjay. So you'll get your credentials to log into your provisioning system, but you don't get any credentials or user details to log into your instance, guys, because your instance is the front end, but whereas your provisioning system is the back end, right? So guys, if you have any questions, just unmute yourself. Yeah, Sanjay.
Hello.
Yeah, I can't hear you. Did you start already?
I just started.
I didn't get your voice clear. Who's that?
I'm Dipali. I can't hear you. Did you start yet or no?
I just started, Dipali.
Dipali, I am Rupesh. I'm still waiting for Raghu to start. I couldn't hear him.
Okay.
Hey,
because
Rupesh.
I could see something on the screen going on. I was wondering whether you started or not.
I also see something going on the screen, but I could not hear Raghu.
Okay.
Hey, hi.
May I know who's this?
Hello.
Hi Rupali, this is Mohsin. He has not started yet, so we're just waiting for the people, I guess.
Okay, thank you.
Guys, are you not able to hear me? Hello? 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 Hello?
Hello.
Yeah. Hey, are you able to hear me, guys?
Hi Raghu. Yes, loud and clear at my end. This is Mohsin.
Hey, I was talking for the past 5 minutes, guys. I am able to hear your voice, but I don't know like why you are not able to hear me.
Oh, now I can hear you.
Yeah, now it is fine. Like even I am able to hear you, but since 5 minutes I was talking to you, and
Now we couldn't hear you at all. This and I couldn't hear you either, Raghu.
okay.
Yeah.
Hey Raghu, hi. This is Rupesh.
Hi, Rupesh.
Hey.
Yeah.
I can hear you now.
Okay, cool, guys. Okay, at least now you are fine, right? Everyone is able to hear me.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So basically, hi, Shiva. So basically, like we had 2 sessions, guys. One in those sessions we discussed the following topics, guys. One is like how you are going to create your users in SuccessFactors system, and the other is how you are going to customize your home page and the look and feel of your home page. Those things we have seen. So though again I'll repeat the same things for you guys, because I know like few joinees are recently joined, and it is the first day for you guys, right? So I'm going to repeat the same thing. In fact, I'll go in a little bit fast mode, guys, because I'm going to give you the videos for the 2 sessions whatever we had. So it's just a kind of recap for the guys who attended my previous sessions. But if you are attending it for the first day of your training, right, just follow it thoroughly, guys. So here you can see here, the moment you log into the SuccessFactors system, the page where you are going to log in, right, this is your default home page, guys. So this is the default SuccessFactors provided home page, but as a consultant, as a SuccessFactors consultant, you will not be working on this home page, but rather you will be working, or you will be starting customization of the things in your SuccessFactors system from the administration tools page. You can see, click on the administration tools. One second, guys. Okay, this is your default home page, and you have to navigate to admin tools page. So you can see this is the place where you are going to start your customization, guys. Whether it is your customizing the different modules of your SuccessFactors, or management user administration, like creating new users, maintaining their authorization, resetting their passwords, anything with respect to the user administration, right, is going to be done from the manage employees portlet, guys. And any sort of module configuration, like whether you are to configure your goal management, or you want to configure your performance or compensation, in fact any module, you can see this is the place where you are going to start customization. And this is fine, guys. This is your instance, which is called as the front end of your SuccessFactors system. But at the same time, you have something called as a provisioning system, which behaves like your back end for your SuccessFactors system. So ideally, when you're going to implement SuccessFactors for your organization, as a first thing you are going to get, or at least your client is going to get the login credentials for the provisioning system, guys. So once you have the provisioning system login credentials, right, that is the place where you are going to create the super admin, and he is the first user who is going to log into your instance, guys. Because other than the super admin, if you are not going to create any super admin in the provisioning system, no one will be able to log into your company, guys. I mean, this is your company instance. So how it is going to be, like where you will be creating your super admin in the provisioning system is like, let me show you guys. So you have to log into your SuccessFactors provisioning system. You can see here. So let me log in here. So once you log into the SuccessFactors provisioning system, guys, you can see here, this is your provisioning system. And you can see, click on company settings, guys. Go to your company settings. Under your company settings, I'll talk about all these things, guys. Going forward, I'll talk about all these things. But at this moment, just concentrate on like how you are going to create users in the provisioning system. Go all the way down under your company settings tab, guys. You can see here, there is an option for you to create admin user. You can see this is the option to create your admin user. If you just click on it, you can see create admin button is there. So you have to create users from this place, guys. So how you are going to do it? Let's say you want to create an user with name, say, doesn't have received the system access, guys, yet. Okay. And your password, first name, last name, and email address. Simple, guys. This is how you are going to create your super admin. He is called as, usually it is called as super administrator, guys. That is what we are going to create in the provisioning system. So that's it, guys. You can see it's very simple, and the user, whatever we created now, right? He is the one who is going to log into your instance. And you can see, if you notice, guys, in the provisioning system, you have a company ID. Remember, guys, this is also going to be important in order to log into your instance. So let me correct this company ID, and I have created a K Rajesh as one of the user. Let me log in with that credentials, guys. What are the super admin credentials we created, right? Let me log in with that. And here you have to give the company ID, guys. Whatever the company ID that we have seen, right, in the provisioning system, this is the one that we have to give. And after that, it's the user ID, whatever we created, and the password, whatever we created in the provisioning system. So this is how the super administrator, you can see, if it is a new project implementation at your organization or at your client place, right, he is the super admin who is going to log into the system, guys. And one second, guys. Okay, Rajesh. What happened? One second, I don't know, guys, what is the problem. Let me try with that. And say he is the one who is going to log into your system. Yeah. And the moment he logged into the system is prompting the super admin to change his own password. Let me change his password, guys. Yeah. Okay. And you can see now the super admin is able to log into the system. And say if it is going to be your first time implementation of your SuccessFactors system at your client place or at your own organization, he is the, I mean to say, Rajesh is the one who is going to create all other users, and he will do the prerequisites with respect to configuring the system before loading the users, guys. And say he is the super admin. Along with him, there are a couple of other SuccessFactors consultant who is going to work with him. So before loading the data or migrating the data, employee data into the system, right? These guys, the super administrator Rajesh and whoever the consultant going to work on the system, right? They will configure and those other consultant credentials are going to be created by Rajesh itself, guys. I'm just super administrator who are logged in here. And you can see so far we have seen creating a super administrator from your provisioning system, and this is one way how you are going to create a user in your SuccessFactors system, guys. Even though you are creating it from the provisioning system, and this is one of the way or possible way to create users in the system. Say this super administrator has logged into the system, but along with him there are other consultant who is going to work on SuccessFactors system and need their credentials to log into the system and start further customization. How the super administrator is going to create other users, like, let me go to the admin tools, I'll show you. You will go to the update user information. You can see under the administration tools, you can access your administration tools from the home drop down menu, or you can access the administration tools from the name drop. This is home drop down menu. Sorry guys, this is your name drop down menu, and this, sorry guys, one second. This is your home drop down menu. You can see home. Under the home you can see administration tools, and this is your name drop down menu. Your name is this one, and you can see administration tools here, and this is your name drop down menu, and both the administration tools are going to land you on the same page. That is nothing but your administration tools page, where you will be carrying out your customization, guys, or user administration. And say you have a requirement to create a user now. You can see, go to your manage employees portlet. Under manage employees portlet, go to manage users. And this is a place where you are going to create users, guys. I would say this is second way how you will be able to create users in your system. and say you want to create a new user. How you are going to create is like, you can see, click on the add user or